Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 205. This was the 23rd of March 2023, a Thursday. So I did exercise, I worked on books, Remote Wellness Academy, insurance, Livegood, and I also did my newest project, my newest business, I shouldn't call it a project, I Am Academy, and I'm also learning Forex and trading. So I am grateful for all the people that work in the trading industry, the people who produce the charts, the data, that works on the exchanges, the brokers, everybody associated with the news sites, everybody associated with that business. They keep the liquidity going, they keep the markets going, and we wouldn't have what we have without them. It really is the magic behind the scenes that most people are not aware of. So that's my daily video for day 205. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.